What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. Today I am going to be thanking Carpar once again. So I had uploaded a video a while back about me making a video of Carpar. I uploaded that, how Carpar helped me out get a TRD spoiler and a rear valence for the Celica. You can probably see in the picture right there. But they helped me get a video, or they helped me get the parts using their awesome website, carpart.com. Yeah, they're like a website that show all these mom and pop local junkyards, not pick and pull and not like LKQ and whatnot. But their website is just awesome. I love using their website, and they had seen one of my videos, the first one I uploaded about the valence and the spoiler, and they were like, they hit me up on Instagram. They followed me first, and then I was like, oh crap, what the hell, Carpar is an Instagram? They followed me, they liked a couple of my things, and they reached out to me and they were like, oh, we like what you do with the video. Is it cool if we send you cozies? And I was like, no way, they actually are talking to me. So they sent me 3 of these awesome dream cozies, I guess. Awesome. Love these cozies, dude. I love using them. Anyways, I'm just gonna make this update. It's an updated video, basically. Just Carpart's an awesome website. I've told it to a lot of my followers on Instagram, like, oh, if you need a part, try looking it up on Carpart. Carpart was successful for me again. I was able to find, let's see if we can get a picture of it. You could probably see it. Anyways, I was able to find Matrix M Theory wheels for 2007 Toyota Matrix. If you guys don't know, the M Theory was only offered in 2007, and they only made 2,500 of them. So that's only 2,500 of these wheels in America. Obviously, they were made in Japan first, from Toyota Caldina, and those were available in Japan massively, not here. So I feel like that's a little bit of JDM coolness for my XRS. Really glad I bought them. They make the car look so much better. I had settled with Scion TC wheels, and I'm glad that I didn't, because these wheels look way better. But anyways, let me stop rambling and show you what I did in the Corolla XRS. Here it is. Shoutouts to carpart.com. You guys helped me score on these rare Matrix M Theory wheels, or as the JDM version, the Toyota Caldina GT4. It'd be pretty dope to take these, but I don't think they're gonna let me here, so it's whatever. But yeah. I wish the floor mats were here, because the floor mats also say M Theory on them. Sadly they're not here, but I do see the spoiler. Spoiler's right there. M Theory. Obviously this one's on M Theory, so. So here I am at work. About to switch up the old Scion TC wheels for Toyota Caldina ones, or as the vehicle we got here in the States, the Matrix M Theory. Now, I don't want to use these tires. They already got somewhat sun damage or heat cracked, I guess. So I have brand new tires on my Scion TC wheels, so I'm gonna go ahead and use those instead. These wheels are actually in really good condition other than this one. It's been curb rash to hell, but the other three are perfect. No curb rash. So gotta go ahead and install those here at work. Porn. The bar. Got them installed. They look clean. If anyone needs these, DM me. They're gonna go up for sale with tires, somewhat decent tires. Check it out. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm really happy. I like these wheels. I really like these wheels. Ever since I saw them for the first time on a Matrix M Theory, I was like, why couldn't those be like stock wheels for a Corolla or the XRS? I'm glad I finally have them after searching for a good while. I don't know how long I was searching for, but shout outs to Copart.com. I really love their website because I found these wheels there. So here's the final product. It's really awesome. I love it. I'm happy with this setup, I guess, you can say. I love the OEM look. I'm after OEM look with this car. I'm not trying to go like all flashy, like stand out like my Celica. Celica really calls for attention. Both good and bad, but I like this. Is really subtle. You can basically blend in. It just looks so like stock, like just a regular commuter Corolla, but at the same time done well. I really enjoy it. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Really happy. So if you guys are interested, the tire size I have Kumos. They are 215 45 17, and they fit the wheel pretty good. Huge shout outs once again to Carpart. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. I'm glad there's someone at the other side of the computer or phone. I don't know who's the one that controls the Instagram page, but whoever it is has a really good attitude. They're always out posting stories on their feed and always replying to my stuff. I had posted that what was it? I had posted that I guess I woke up with a really bad leg pain. They actually went out of their way to say, "Hope you get better." Like these are actual people on the other side. It's not a robot. It's not a robot, I guarantee you. But anyways, cheers, Carpart. Awesome website. Anytime someone tells me I need this part, I always tell them go to Carpart. Go to Carpart. Chances are wherever you are, there's gonna be a junkyard near you that is on Carpart.com. And honestly, I did not know about Carpart all the time. I think, if I remember correctly, one of my friends, Irvin, he was the one that actually mentioned it to me, like, "Oh, did you try looking at Carpart?" And I was like, "What's that?" And if I remember correctly, I was actually looking for Corolla S blades, 2001 Corolla S blades, and I couldn't find any at a reasonable price. So I was like, whatever. But the second time I ended up using it, I ended up buying a used 2ZZ GE engine from some auto junkyard in San Jose. I forgot the name, but I ended up picking it up for $700. Low mileage. It had, I believe, 100,000 miles, and it was a great price. So ever since then, continued using the website, and obviously I found a really killer deal from Apple Auto Dismantling or Dismantler. Thank you guys if you guys end up watching this video. But yeah, they ended up giving me a good deal on these wheels. They were really friendly, they were really helpful. They weren't jerks about it. They were entertaining with offers, I guess, or they were like, oh, entertain us with an offer. I ended up picking up the center bezel, I guess the center bezel console where the stereo goes, where it says Matrix M Theory on it, and this one's 4 out of 2,500. The sticker's still on it. Got that. I got one of the floor mats that I ended up finding in the video, and I got the 4 wheels and tires, all that for $200, and I cannot be any more happier for the price I paid. I'm happy I got it for that cheap, and they helped me load them up in my vehicle. They were just all in all friendly, you know. I'm glad there's people out there in the world like that. I just wish a lot of people were like that, you know. Not everyone is like that, but I'm glad that these people went out of their way and helped me up tremendously. Yay. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling because I think I'm talking for way too much already. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys made it to the end of this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment. You guys know the rest. I sound like an old broken record. Anyways, see you guys.